I'm using galvanized electric wire 14 gauge half mile red brand made in America wire for my tie downs. Let me show you how I build them now. Here's my rod. I measure it out from my little finger to my thumb, which is about 9 inches, and I add just a little bit to it, just a bit. Then what I do is I come back here, I cut it, and then I use this to cut the others. Oops, wasn't in the cutting area. There we go. And I just keep making pieces over and over and over again until I've cut up all the wire. I have about 10 feet here, and I don't need them very often, just every so often. So this is probably enough for maybe 2 or 3 runs, as you can see. The next thing I do is I take and I grab my wire basically in the middle on this flat area right here, and then I just bend it down, and then I bend this one down like so, and now I have a horseshoe. Now it's pretty wide. I can stick my finger in there. It's a lot wider than a 1/4 inch. But the deal is, you can go to the store and you can buy these, and I forget what they cost, but they're expensive. I've made about, when I'm finished bending all these, I'll have about 25 for next to nothing. So when you get ready to pull your stuff up, you'll get rid of whatever is on top of it. You'll cut that off. And then as you pull your line up, you'll find these, and you just pull them out of the ground, stick them in a bag or a bucket or something, and next year they're good to go.